Everybody doesn't understand. Not everybody's on the same page as you. Not everybody's happy for you. Everybody don't love you. It's up to you to love yourself. It's up to you to do what you need to do to further yourself in life. Some people have a lot of excuses, and it sounds good when they're talking about somebody else. But today, I need you to look in the mirror. I need you to go look at yourself. Ask yourself, what have you done for yourself today? Have you got yourself a new car? Have you got yourself a new apartment? Have you got yourself some new clothes, jewelry, if that's what suits you? What have you done for yourself? I need you to look at yourself today in the mirror. Today's not about nothing but self. What have you done for yourself today? Have you educated yourself? Have you told yourself, I love myself today? Did you get up and pray today for yourself? Did you get up and pray for a better day, for your life, health, and your strength? What have you done for yourself today? We got to stop worrying about everybody else. That's not our immediate family, such as your mom, your sister, your brother, or your children. Everything else is not immediate. Besides your rent, your bills, and the people that you love around you in your circle. Those what's immediate. That what counts. I want you to focus on you today. Your job, your bank, your bills, your dreams, your albums, your songwriting, your new construction job. Did you get yourself a new car this year for 2020? Or if you're in position, did you buy yourself some property this year for 2020? Have you opened yourself a new business this year? Have you fixed the things with your family and your friends? Have you removed all the negativity out your life? Come on now. Today's about self. You got to build yourself up. No one's going to build you up. You got to build yourself up. You got to have integrity, motivation, dedication, honesty with yourself first before you can help somebody else. You got to get off your tail, fix your credit, understand what the FICO can do for you, understand what credit can do for you. Lift yourself up. Yes, you can. Today is about self. I want you to go get up when you're listening to this, stop what you're doing, and look yourself in the mirror and tell myself, I love myself. I love myself. You got to, because no one's going to love you like you love yourself. Stop today. Think smarter. Be more fruitful. Understand what your credit can really do and love yourself. Today's about yourself. Look yourself in the mirror. Today, stop worrying about everything else but you. Turn the phone off. Get off of social media for a minute. And allow yourself to be loved. Hug yourself. Kiss yourself. Stop doing things that can hurt yourself. And that could be anything that hurts the temple of the body. Cigarettes, liquor, negative people, drugs, bad vibes, stress, talking to your ex. Move on. Love yourself today. It's not about nothing else but self-love today. And self-love comes from fixing your credit and understanding where you went wrong. Understanding what you didn't do. Understanding what bill you forgot to pay. Understanding what bill you didn't pay. And everybody have their ups and downs. But today is about self-accountability. We're not blaming nobody. We're taking one step forward in our life, moving forward, fixing our credit, and we're going to take the blame ourselves today. Credit repair motivation.